With Troops, you can use alerts to surface critical Salesforce data in Slack. There are 3 different alert types. Created or updated alerts your team when a new record is created or key fields are updated. Date-based lets your team know when important dates such as close dates approach or have passed. And Stuck in Stage notifies your team when an opportunity has been in a stage for too long. While each alert type may be used for different reasons, their setup is largely similar. To set up an alert, start by clicking the Create New Workflow button. Then, click Alert. You can set up an alert for any Salesforce object. For example, let's say we want to hand off notes between sales and customer success when a deal is won. Build a logic sentence so that, when true for a record, the alert will display in Slack. Note that any additional filters added are AND statements. In the case of a handoff, you will want to set the opportunity stage equal to closed won. Add filters such as not equal to existing business to refine what triggers the workflow. Next, choose where this alert should be sent. Depending on the alert type, Troops can send alerts to Slack channels, both public and private, individual Slack users, and Salesforce user lookups. You can even have Troops open a group direct message between multiple individuals when the alert fires, to facilitate coordination and not clog a channel. Our handoff should include the opportunity owner and the account manager. Lastly, customize your message to include any important related Salesforce information and other notes. Add action buttons to your workflow, rename the alert to make it easier to find in the dashboard, or send yourself a test to see how your alert appears in Slack. Then, you're all set. Once you save the alert, it will go live.